Hey trendsetters, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this style, which was similar to the look in my last video that everyone loved. Stay tuned, let's get started. Before we get started today, I have to acknowledge the fact that I've reached and exceeded 100 trendsetters. Thank you guys so much, and I'm so excited to bring you more. This dance is for you. Everyone loved my last video, but some people were complaining about the price, so what I did was I found a similar curl pattern for under $70. You're welcome. Here, what you see me doing is laying and pushing back my edges with Got2b glue. I do this because I have a low-lying forehead, and if I don't do this, my baby hairs will get snatched up by the glue or just by the friction. First, I lay down the plastic cap because it protects my hair from the glue. What I'm doing now with this closure, which I'll be honest is not the best closure, but you know, you can't expect a whole lot from what you paid, but it's very workable. I plucked it, I put some concealer in the part, and that was that on that. When you lay it, you basically want to take it to the front of the dome cap. But look at how it was yellow. Yuck. So I'll take this cap, which is closer to my shade, and bring it right to the front of the dome cap. Not too much to the front of the wave cap because that's just going to end up getting cut later. Here I am goofing with the position of the part just to see if it looks better anywhere else. 30-second glue, my fave. See, that silk of the closure was a weird color and it was ugly, so I cut it out. And that's basically what my cap will be for. I'm taking the glue and I'm going around the perimeter. I'm taking my time and I'm not doing a crazy thick layer either. Now you just need to give it a minute for it to dry. While you're doing so, check yourself out. Make sure you're still trendy, beautiful, and a baddie. Now I am crowning myself with this closure. You just have to go real slow, real careful, and remember exactly where you put it the first time. If you can't remember, use white eyeliner to mark it up for yourself to remember. You have to be careful not to press too hard because really you can't see anything and you don't want it to get on the hair. So use your rat tail comb and press the perimeter. At the bottom of the cap, I'm measuring the tracks, and mind you, these tracks have already been coat washed, so they appear curly, but when you first buy it, it'll be straight. Measure, cut, glue, and apply. And that is basically the process that you will repeat all the way up until you reach your closure. Carefully, I'm going to skill slap on that 30-second glue, honey. And you do the same process. You wait for it to get a little tacky, then you place that. After that is nice and secure, come through with the blow dryer just in case. You may not be one of these people, but if you want to make sure it's super secure, come through with the blow dryer, okay? Now, you're going to see me do this step over again, but do you really want to see me repeat the same process over and over? Well, good, because funny story, my phone, right, when I was recording right here ended up dying, right, and I forgot to record the rest of the process, and then my boyfriend is so beautiful, he helped me. The top could be tricky, so if someone's available to help you, let them. Here, after everything was laid and slayed, all I did was remove the plastic cap and cut away the excess cap that we didn't need anymore. Right under the closure, I cut away that part too, so the nude cap will be able to show through, creating the most natural looking part. After everything is laid, slayed, and done, this was the look. It was too bushy for me, but some may like it this way. To tame the hair, all I did was hit it with a spray bottle and some mousse, and it melted right down, beautifully and flat. And when it dries, it looks similar to this. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. See you next time. Trendy out.